Hello, this is a new plugin that I've written for Modo and Unreal. Um, the purpose of which is to basically take your Modo scene and then let you load that into Unreal, but using the objects that already exist within your content directory. So it's here on GitHub. It's a C++ plugin. It's two parts. There's a C++ plugin for Unreal, which you have to put in your plugins folder inside your game directory, and a Modo kit, which you just put in your normal Modo kits directory. When you come to Unreal, you'll have this button up the top, which just has one button inside it. Probably need a better place for this to live. I won't do that yet. And then in Modo, there'll be this button here, which will add this. So what it does is it will make a JSON file in your game preset path called this file, and then Unreal will look for that, and that JSON file contains it looks like this. So it just has all the items that you've chosen, and then it has a redirect, which is your reference to your Unreal content, what it is, and then where it is in the where you want it to be in the Unreal scene. So we'll come back to that scene. How it works is you have a few things in your Modo scene. Let's do a few. We'll just do it like this. And it's like, well, this is the location I want it, but the theory is if you want this to be a blueprint, or you want it to be an animated mesh or a skeletal mesh in your level, I wanted, a way to use Modo's layout tools to get that into Unreal. So what you do is press this add redirect channel. That's going to prompt you for a redirect, which is what you get if you do this, and then copy reference. So then if you go back to Modo, you just paste that in, and then that now will have a channel with that value in. So then if we choose selected, kind of don't know that it's done anything, but we just have to believe, and then press load bridge file, and you'll see that that's now brought in this blueprint here, but at the locations that I've got in Modo. So to prove that it works, we could move one of them up there, do selected again, load it in, and now it's gone up there. That's pretty much the gist of it. What it means you can do though is, you can use replicators and things to get positions that you want for your blueprints and then load them in. So if I select the replicator, I choose selected. I haven't set this up yet. So if I come here, go to digits, if I choose copy reference, sorry, I forgot to set this up. So then you do this, okay, copy reference, I did that wrong. Put that on there, then copy reference, and then do selected. If I make a new level, then I load this layout file. These are all this blueprint, which you can see here, and this skeletal mesh is choosing to animate, so I assume if I simulate, that's now an animated mesh, which is just the blueprint's it's just added the skeletal mesh with this animation on. So it's interesting if you want to get things into your scene, but laid out, use Modo's layout tools, but to get actual blueprints just skeletal meshes or just static meshes that you've brought in from FBX or whatever, this can let you do that. Thanks.